Hi, Peggy Paul Casella here from Thursday Night Pizza. And today I'm here with my son, Jack, to teach you how to make healthy, kid-friendly pizzas from scratch. Should we get going?
Yeah, let's go.
So for our setup today, I've got 1 ball of slow rise or overnight dough, which you can find on the blog or in the comments. And I broke it up into 4 equal sized pieces or portions. So we're gonna make 4 small, about 8 to 10 inch pizzas so that you can see all different ideas for healthy, kid-friendly pizzas. Alright, so we have 4 balls of dough stretched out. You could have rolled them out if you wanted to. You don't have to stretch them out, but older kids especially might want to learn how to stretch. Right?
Oh yes, sure.
Okay, now the fun part. We have all of the toppings.
We have salami and
Mozzarella.
mozzarella and cheese and olives and bacon and broccoli and red
peppers.
red peppers
That is Brussels
and
sprouts.
Brussels
Yeah.
sprouts and carrots and more olives.
Olives. What's that?
I don't know.
That is shredded beets.
And shredded beets and mushrooms.
What's that? That is ricotta spinach sauce.
And sauce.
And regular sauce. So the key here is to have a really wide variety of topping ideas so that kids can choose what they want, or you can hide a bunch of veggies in their pizzas and they won't even know it. So here we have very small pieces of things. I cut the broccoli into very small florets so that they're harder to pick off for certain children I know. I shredded the carrots and the beets too. You can add those on top of the sauce underneath the cheese and they will cook right in and you won't even know they're there. They'll just be adding some extra nutrients. For this, for people who like white pizzas, this is a really simple sauce. It's in the blog post. This is ricotta cheese, cream, and a handful of spinach, salt and pepper just buzzed up in the blender. So this is another way to get some veggies in there that they won't even know about. All right, are you ready to get topping?
Oh yes.
Okay. Okay, so once you're finished topping, you put it in the oven in a 500-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes until the crust is nice and brown. So as you can see, this is very Jack approved. All of these pizzas are full of vegetables, full of nutrients, but also full of flavor, and Jack himself chose what to put on most of the pizzas, right? What is your favorite? So if you want to add even more nutrients to your pizza once they come out of the oven, some more of the spinach ricotta sauce is great to just dollop on top or serve to dip with at the table. Or some sliced ripe avocado is always really nice on top, and most kids will go for avocado. Well, thank you for watching.
Yeah.
I hope this was helpful.
And just as I forgot, happy pizza.
All right, bye. Say bye.
Bye. Make sure you say happy pizza.
Happy pizza.